Meet Phil. He's excited to go to the boat show and ready to spend some money. He's looking at new navigation systems. His boat seats are looking worse for wear. Heck, he might be in the market for a new boat. Your company goes to boat shows and other special marine-related events to meet guys like Phil. But on average, you have just 8 seconds to grab his attention as he walks by your booth, and you know how hard that is. Now you can target your ideal customer and drive them straight to your booth at boat shows or other marine events using what's called geofencing. Basically, you put a digital fence around the site of the event. Anybody with a smartphone or other mobile device within that virtual perimeter will see your digital ads inviting them to your booth when they visit any website, apps, or social networks. You spend thousands to have a booth. This is how you make sure you stay busy. It's a captive audience, a target-rich environment of people ready to buy boating products. Think of how many people attend a typical boat show. Your digital ads can be seen by thousands. Plus, when somebody clicks on your ad, you drive qualified traffic to your website, even more potential customers down the road. Even better, these folks will see your digital ads for weeks to come thanks to the Marine Ad Network retargeting campaign. Just another way to get your message in front of more people, the right people. And don't worry, we take care of all the technical stuff. To find out more about geofencing and the Marine Ad Network, sign up for a free, no-obligation proposal using the form on this page and discover how our unique approach to digital marketing can give you more leads and sales.